Hello friends and potential friends. Just taking a quick look through the garden this afternoon. I guess it's about 3:30, 4 o'clock now. And this is my tomato pile. And I got little cherry tomatoes all through here. I hope you can see some of these. They're not turning colors yet, but there's a bunch of them. Here's some right up close and personal. These are all cherry tomatoes. And lots of blossoms. Looking down on them, you can see that there's still lots of blossoms. Haven't had too much blight, just at the very bases of them. Now this guy out here, I believe this is a champion. It's kind of spread out quite a bit. I don't see any tomatoes on it yet, though it does have some blossoms. Something's eating it down there. Not sure what's eating it. Whoops, wait a minute. There are couple of tomatoes back there. Let me see, can you see those? Probably not. A couple little tiny ones about the size of a marble. And I have my volunteer sweet potato. He's trying to get up here before the tomatoes bury him. And then over here, this is a Medusa tomato I grew from seeds from Praxis 55712 channel's seed giveaway last year. And back around, these are more cherry tomatoes. Again, there's a lot more little tomatoes on there. I'm breaking all the rules with these guys this year. The cherry tomatoes I grew over the winter from some cuttings. Just put them in here in, I think it was February. And they've been growing good. I have not been taking suckers off or training them. Basically, I just put this cage around it and I'm going to let them fill in and do whatever they want to do. But looks like we may, and I say may because they ain't started turning yet, may have some tomatoes pretty soon.